exclusive deals on two top hydrodermabrasion devices. Experience skincare like never before. First, meet the Panilili One, designed specifically for home use, offering 4 key benefits. It provides deep cleansing to effectively eliminate blackheads and whiteheads, leaving pores clear. With intense hydration, it brightens skin and balances water and oil levels. Its compact, innovative design makes it perfect for at-home use. Next, the AS16 for Essie, featuring a 6-in-1 classic design, perfect for both home and salon use. In addition to deep cleansing, it provides intensive hydration, enhancing skin brightness. With its 6-in-1 versatility, AS16 for Essie is ideal for home beauty care and professional salons. Time is ticking, and stock is limited. Go now to grab the best deals of the year.